everyone, my name is Tyler McCully, World of Trains and BNSF in Santa Fe on the Brookfield sub on YouTubeland. We're going to get a train video. The train was running pretty slow. Could be a coal train or auto wreck or a mixed train. Could be three choices. I saw yellow work machines sitting here in Callao, Missouri, so I hope the train engineer honks at me. We'll see how it works. He's going pretty slow, I'll say. There's a BNSF. What could that be? It's a coal train. Coal train, alright. One. He's running pretty slow. One. BNSF, all right. BNSF, all right. Hi, Ryan. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, Mac's a loser, 26, 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, KFC, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. That coal train was loaded, Jack. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 108 Gus, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132. Look out, Rudy. 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153. SD78's alright! DPU alright! 153 coal cars. DPU alright! Check it out. How cool was that guy with name Ryan Roller? He honked at me, named Conductor, waving at me, named Ryan Roller. That's insane. Symbol on that train here in Callao was a BNSF leading load of coal train. Ryan Roller waved at me, come from Wyoming to Thomas Hill. You enjoyed the video, so have a good one. Goodbye.